Like I always say, Osegara is that period of time or that first 2 weeks when students are back from home and they are still having lots of food stuff. Guys, my hostel mates are in their Osegara. You need to see the aroma of food that is filling the hostel. So many times I don't even cook. And I'll be like, Sakwa has nothing on these people. But what's my business? Let's make native pasta together. In a pan, I went with my red palm oil and I went with my mala fish and I fried that for a little bit. Then I went to my pepper mix. This pepper mix is comprising of tomato, rodo, and onions. And I gave that a good stir. Then I went in with my onions because I wanted it to be crunchy. Then I went in with my momo and locust bean. Then I gave that a good stir. Then I went in with my crayfish powder. And I went in with seasoning. Guys, that seasoning is hard to break. Actually, I went to make salt and I gave that a very good stir. Then I went with my chicken stock. Yes, chicken stock for the winner. Then I covered for it to cook. And guys, look at this. At this point, I didn't want to put pasta in it again, but that's how the reason I shall made it. I added in my pasta and I gave it a good stir. Then I went with my vegetables. I went in with ugu, pumpkin leaf, and I went with my uziza. Yes, uziza for the win every time. And I gave that a good stir. And guys, this pasta tasted better than it looks. And lest I forget to add, I had this with some grilled chicken I got from Tito B Pepper Chops. Thank you.